My dear students, my dear scholars, जब आप इंफॉर्मेशन इकोनॉमी के पर्सपेक्टिव में रिसर्च करने जा रहे हैं और मे बी देन यू आर कंसीविंग एंड परसीविंग ए न्यू आइडिया हाउ टू मैनेज द नॉलेज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन working at the workplace, working in the manufacturing organization or service organization, or maybe for-profit or not-for-profit organization. The importance and significance of information and knowledge, and then how to manage this knowledge, an important resource at the individual level, at the group level, and also at the organization level. Naturally, we have been discussed what are those processes which are involved in managing the knowledge. It could be that you're looking for and you're discovering, you're creating, you're innovating new information and new knowledge. That knowledge which you like to place into design and see how the functions will change of the product. You have to share this. You have to disseminate this. You have to transfer this information and knowledge across the company, across the market, across the customer base, across the employees base, across the organization, so that it can be applied, exploited, and profitability should be the main purpose while working in the organization. Productivity should be one of the important factors when you're looking at information and knowledge as one of the production factor. देखिए ना, ट्रेडिशनल फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन के मुकाबले में अगर इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज को एज ए प्रोडक्शन फैक्टर के तौर पर हमने लेना है, so then it should be able to increase the functionality and the productivity of the product and service. It should also be able to increase the productivity and performance of the process. And it should also be able to increase the profitability of the organization. So in other words, this important resource, how can you apply knowledge into product or service? How can you apply knowledge into the process, into the culture, bring it into innovation? Ab innovation and innovation management एक कंप्लीटली एक नया एरिया है, इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया है, और इंफॉर्मेशन इकोनॉमी के पर्सपेक्टिव में कंपनीज हु आर गोइंग टू बी इनोवेटिव इन लॉन्चिंग द प्रोडक्ट, innovating in adding new functionalities, innovating the process, bringing and innovating the culture of the organization. इनमें से हर एस्पेक्ट के लिए आपको इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज रिक्वायर्ड होगा. स्पीकिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट और प्रोसेस, नाउ यू कैन रियलाइज दैट व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड नॉलेज इन रीशेपिंग द वर्ल्ड. दिस वर्ड कुड बी वर्किंग वर्ल्ड, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वर्ल्ड, service world, society and the society world, and at the same time at your individual level. आपकी तो अपनी एक दुनिया है, उस दुनिया के अंदर कोई इनोवेशन है या फिर वही सुबह होती है शाम होती है, तो फिर जिंदगी तो तमाम होगी. लेकिन if you're not going to change, if you're not going to innovate, don't expect anything new productivity, new performance from yourself based on new knowledge, new learning. So innovation is the essence and soul of product design. And innovation design is based on knowledge. So this means the knowledge which is embedded. अच्छा, अब embedded की हम बात कर रहे हैं. Knowledge could be embodied. वो knowledge जो आपकी body के अंदर मौजूद है. Knowledge in the culture. Knowledge in the process. But let's talk about embedded knowledge. Embedded knowledge refers to the knowledge which is locked in process of the organization, locked into the products. It goes into the products, locked into the culture, into the routines, into the artifacts, into the structures, into the strategy, into the system. डिपेंड करता है कि आपने उस नॉलेज को अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कैसे हिस्सा बनाया है. सरफेस पर है या डीप रूटेड है, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशन इज बेस्ड अपॉन नॉलेज, प्रोसेस इनोवेशन is based upon knowledge, management innovation is based upon knowledge. Knowledge in 21st century and those projects which you will be doing in research based on knowledge and information are going to be important, very important, and it is going to add value into your own career. Thank you very much.